Namaskar. I would like to introduce to you a special yoga dance, Kaoshikii. Kaoshikii is a unique practice for the physical level, and also it expresses our deeper, subtle potentialities. Now, it gives you immense energy and composure of mind throughout the day, believe it or not. Now, Kaoshikii is actually a panacea for 22 different afflictions. So let's look at what they are. Now, on the physical level, Kaoshikii is extremely useful in improving our digestion, elimination system, our genitourinary system, and it actually makes the spine strong and flexible. At the same time, Kaoshikii really helps to normalize our hormonal secretions, gives you good complexion, and removes wrinkles and excess weight. And this nidra or dance actually promotes longevity. At the mental level, it really removes hopelessness, anxiety, depression, insomnia. It's great, even if you do it at night, it helps you. And the spiritual level, it's good for meditation because it really improves, enhances this interoceptive awareness. It gives you concentration, focus of mind, and at the same time, it's a source of inspiration for the mind. So, you have heard so much. Let's see how the dance is practiced. Now, let's come to the techniques of the dance. Let's divide the technique into two parts. The first part, we'll do the legs and then the arms. For the legs, the feet, we start with the right foot. So, on the ball of the foot, okay? Tapping back the heel of the left. And then again, left, ball of the foot to the right heel, back of the right heel. Like this, we do continuously, right, left, right, left for about 16 times. And then the last part is just ta, ta, the entire foot. Now, when you do that, it's good to lightly bend your knees because it helps to lubricate the knee. So lightly bend the knees as you do that. That's good, and it gives you a rhythm. So practice like that. It will give you a certain rhythm. You understand the momentum of the dance, the rhythmic momentum of the dance. Now we'll do the arms. Okay, the arms in Namaskar position. This is Namaskar. When the arms are up, they're also in Namaskar position. Now, when the arms are up, you're keeping the sort of straight elbows and straight as much as you can, whatever you can. And then try not to, if you feel an impingement of this cervical neck vertebra, release the arms and come back again. Now bring the shoulder blades back, the rhomboids together, the shoulder blades, and then sort of do not tense the neck so much because otherwise you might feel a bit straining, a bit tiring. Okay, and keep the arms up. So the arms are supposed to bicep to the ears, I always call that. And then you go, they are 5, 5. Let's do the right side first. So right, 1, 2, 3, about 45 degrees or less. That is fine. And then coming back, 1, 2. Same with the left side, 1, 2, 3, 45 degrees or less. And then coming back, 1, 2. Please keep the arms to the ears and not coming down when you're bending to the right or to the left. Keep it straight together, attached to your ears. Now the second half, you're bending forward. There are 10. Bending forward, there are 6 and up, 6 steps. So arms forward, 1, 2, going down. The left leg is back when you go down. You may keep the right leg straight, or if you need to, please bend the knee so you don't put too much pressure on the right hip. Exhaling and coming up, and then back. There's 3, and then 4, 5, back to the center. I'm going to do this without showing. So it's first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and then 6. Now, when you bend back, it's about 15 degrees. You don't have to go all the way back. Use your upper part, your chest, to hyperextend that position, if you can, and your breath. The flexors of the neck are very much engaged in this, so make sure that you aware that you're engaging these muscles. When you bend forward, you're engaging your core muscles, your abdominal muscles, breathing out, again coming up. Let me go through the steps again for the second phase. 1, forward. 2, down. If you cannot reach the floor, it's perfectly fine. You can use a stool or something. Coming up. 3, 4, 5, 6 to the center, and then finishing with right, left foot, the ta-ta. So you are stationary when it finishes with the ta-ta. Okay? Let's practice together. We'll start with the feet first, just moving the feet and getting into the rhythm of the feet. We start with the right foot, the ball of the foot. Let's do a few rounds. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we'll do just the arms. Let's follow me, just the upper part of the body. Again, repeat about 7 times, just the arms alone. 1, 2, 3. Back 1, 2. Left, 2, 3. Back 1, 2. Front, left leg back, down, up, back, 2, center. Right, left. 1, 2, 3. Back 1, 2. Left, 2, 3. Back 1, 2. Front, down, up, back, 2. Center, right, left. Now let's see how the dance is done, combining the feet and the arms. Follow me and let's dance together. Arms up, ready. Begin with the right foot. Right, 1, 2, 3. Back, 1, 2. Bending the knees slightly. Left, 2, 3. Back, 1, 2. Front, down, up, back, 2. Center, right, left, right, 2, 3. Back, 1, 2. Left, 2, 3. Back, 1, 2. Front, down, up, back, 2. Center, right, left, right, 2, 3. Back, 1, 2. Left, 2, 3. Back, 1, 2. Front, down, up, back, 2. Center, right, left, right, 2, 3. Back, 1, 2. Left, 2, 3. Back, 1, 2. Front, down, up, back, 2. Center, right, left, right, 2, 3. Back, 1, 2. Left, 2, 3. Back, 1, 2. Front, down, up, back, 2. Center, right, left, right, 2, 3, back, 1, 2, left, 2, 3, back, 1, 2, front, down, up, back, 2, center, right, left, last round, 2, 3, back, 2, left, 2, 3, back, 2, front, down, up, back, 2, center, right, left. Now you have learned this special dance, Kaoshikii. It is time for you to keep practicing. Now don't worry about speeding up. If the secret is to learn the movement properly, step by step. Master the movement, remember the steps. Slowly and gradually you will speed up, you will master the entire movement. Another secret is to also do it regularly. Every day you should do it 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Increase your duration gradually. It will also make you a master in this dance, and you can teach others. Now, what is important in yoga is what? Practice. 99% is practice, 1% theory. You have learned the theory 1%, you have to practice. Okay? Now, if you have any questions, please put your comments below and wait for the next video. See you next time. Namaskar.